OnePlus 9 Pro versus the Vivo X60 Pro Plus. Yeah, let's do this in a different way. This OnePlus 9 Pro mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of 120Hz curved display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate, fluid AMOLED, Quad HD plus resolution display. And the best thing is we can use the Quad HD plus resolution in 120Hz refresh rate also. This Vivo X60 Pro Plus mobile comes with a smaller display, and it is a 6.56 inches of full HD plus resolution 120Hz refresh rate display, and it is also a HDR10 certified display, and it is also a curved display like this one. But this OnePlus 9 Pro mobile comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection for the screen. This Vivo X60 Pro Plus comes with a Scotch Sensation glass instead of Gorilla Glass 6. When we talk about the processors, yeah, this one comes with the same processor, that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G 5nm base processor and clocked at 3.2 GHz, and those are octa-core processor. And when we talk about the variants, yeah, this is also same. These two models are available in same variants, where this two variants comes in 8GB RAM, 128GB of a base storage, and those are the UFS 3.1 storage capacities and LPDDR5 RAM types. And the other variant is 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Unfortunately, we will not get an expanded memory slot with these two mobiles. That is unfortunate. And these two mobiles comes with a crazy camera setup backside. But this OnePlus 9 Pro comes with a Hasselblad camera setup at the backside, where you can find 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 8 megapixels of secondary telephoto zoom camera, and 50 megapixels of wide angle ultra wide angle camera, and also a 2 megapixels of monochrome camera, and it also comes with a laser autofocus camera also. This Vivo X60 Pro Plus mobile also comes with a quad cameras, where you can find 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 8 megapixels of secondary telephoto zoom camera, and 32 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera, and also a 48 megapixels of ultra wide camera. Yes, insane cameras, and we can shoot up to 8K 30fps with this mobile's back cameras, and especially this OnePlus 9 Pro can shoot up to 4K 120fps. Yeah, that is the biggest thing. And these two mobiles also comes with different cameras at the front side. This OnePlus 9 has 9 Pro comes with a 16 megapixels of wide angle camera, and this Vivo X60 Pro Plus mobile comes with a 32 megapixels of camera, and we can shoot up to 4K 30 fps. And for the batteries, yeah, these two mobiles also comes with an insane amount of batteries, where this Vivo X60 Pro Plus mobile comes with a 4200 mAh of smaller battery compared to this one. But this supports 55 watts of fast charge, but this unfortunately will not get any kind of wireless charge in this mobile. This OnePlus 9 Pro comes with a little bit of bigger battery, that is a 4500 mAh of battery, but it supports 65 watts of super dart charge, and it also supports insane 50 watts of wireless charge. Yes, and this mobile can charge from 0 to 100 in just under 30 minutes, and if you use the 65 watt wide charger, and 0 to 100 in just under 45 minutes if you use the 50 watts of wireless charge, including the box with this mobile. And those are the major important features difference between these two mobiles. And these two mobiles are also comes with a in-display fingerprint scanners. This mobile does not have 3.5mm jacks. This mobile has stereo speakers, with this mobile does not have this this two mobiles comes with the glass backs, where this mobile also comes with a leather variant at the back side. These two mobiles are available in different colors. I will leave those colors in the description box down below that like button. And these two mobiles are also nearly equal at the pricing, but this mobile price will start from 65,000 rupees, with this mobile price will go up to 70,000 rupees, and this mobile price will also go up to 70,000 rupees. So I will provide the links to buy these mobiles in the description box down below after the mobile releases. And I have also made a separate videos on Vivo X60 Pro, OnePlus 9 Pro, and 9R. If you want to watch them, I will leave the links in the description box down below, or I will leave the links here in this iCard section above. You can check them out from there. So, and the final conclusion is, if you want a mobile with bigger display and better battery, and more definitely a speed wireless charge, moreover the Oxygen OS experience, then you can choose just OnePlus 9 Pro mobile if you are familiar with this mobile's budget. And if you want a mobile to take a lot of videos and photos, then this mobile is best for you, because this mobile has awesome features in camera. Don't get me wrong, this mobile also better in performance of also, but this mobile has almost concentrated on the camera section. So that's for the conclusion, and that's for the review.